Hi everyone, this is Daniel Faltham, Zone Consultant at Archer Point for the logistics add-on to Business Central called Boltrics. And today we're going to show how to do putaways through the scanner. In a previous video, I showed how to do receipts through the scanner. Now we're going to look at how we do putaways. So in the previous video, I was working off the receipt 2503, right? And in this receipt, we have received 350 cases off of 4 pallets, right? So this is what was posted, right? The detail lines. So if I look at this is four pallets off of French fries. Let's just go at the detail overview. So these are all the detail lines, which are essentially the handling units that we've received on this receipt. And you can see that we've received 4 handling units for the first item and 4 handling units for the second item. These handling units, once we receive them on the dock, what they generate are warehouse activities. These warehouse activities over here, I can see that we've got 8, so 1 warehouse activity for each pallet, which is of type putaway, right? And what this indicates to us is that, well, you have 8 pallets that we need to put away in our storage area, which are currently on the dock floor, right? So this is which is currently from location number, right, on the expedition floor over here. So what we'll do is that in the context of this demo, right, we're really in a self-directed put-away process. So essentially, if I'm over here on my home screen, I'll go over here in the inbound menu, and I see that I've got put-away 19 over here that I need to do. So if I go on the put-away screen, I can see that all these are the handling units that I'm expecting to have to put away. So let's just work off of these ones, right? So the idea here is that I'm going to just copy paste this 11, right? This handling unit number, which is the 11, which is essentially the license plate, the number of the pallet, right? And essentially what the idea is that the warehouse worker is going to arrive in front of the pallets and is going to scan the first pallet in front of them, right? So they're going to scan, let's just pretend that it's the pallet 11. And so they go ahead and scan it. And now what the system says is that what it's saying is that it's saying, okay, well, in this context, it's a directed put away, right? But if from the moment they've scanned it, it is at this moment, right, that the system now calculates the to location number depending on the warehouse strategy, right? So the warehouse strategy, which is my put-away strategy. And so we can have various different ways of, calculating the directed put-away based off of regrouping, for example, all the pallets of the same customer in the same area, or depending on different weights. For example, if we have multi-racks levels there are weight restrictions, so there are multiple ways of calculating what the directed put away is. In this context, it determined that it needed to be put away at 1314 G1. And this is calculated at the moment that I scan, right, that pallet in front of me, because that's the moment that that the system knows, right? The system will know, well, which locations are free to pick to. So no, to put away to. So I'll take the 1314, and so the warehouse worker picks up that 11, right? The pallet 11 goes to the new location 1314 G1, right? And scans that location to say that they've dropped the pallet in that location. Now, if I go back in the warehouse activities, this pallet, which was in the status in progress, right, now is out of my list of warehouse activities to complete. So now I can move to the next to the next pallet, right? I come back and I scan that next pallet in front of me, right? And now it's telling me where to put it, bulk 01. And so essentially what I could also do is I could propose a new location, right? Let's say that I come in front of bulk 01. Oh, I see it's not really the best location. I could propose a new location over here, right? So I could say bulk 02, right? And so if I propose a new location, it would calculate, right, a new location over here depending on my warehouse strategies. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and I'll do bulk 02, for example. Now, what this shows me, right, is that I also have the possibility to either override, right, the directed put away, or if I wanted to restrict the location or restrict the system, I could also have an error message if they are putting it away in an area which shouldn't be, which is not directly over here, which is not directed over here. So I can go ahead and do bulk 02 and so on and so forth, right? And so you see now that these warehouse activities are going down, okay? So this is basically how we do putaways in the system. And then, well, you do that until you have no more putaways to do, right? And once you have none, well, you see that the putaway over here will be at 0.